Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to view all your liked pages on Facebook using the Android app. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device to access your account. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture displayed on the screen. Next, tap on the three dots icon located on your profile page to reveal additional options. Select Activity Log from the Options menu to access a log of your activities on Facebook. Within the activity log, swipe left on the Public Post section to access more options. Then, tap on Page Likes to view a list of all the pages you have liked on Facebook. By following these steps, you can easily access and review all the pages you have liked, allowing you to manage your interests and preferences on the platform. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to view all your liked pages on Facebook using the Android app. Explore your liked pages to stay updated with your favorite content and ensure your newsfeed reflects your interests accurately.